Hi everybody. Today we're looking at a pre-owned horizontal semi-automatic mitering bandsaw. We just got through service. Saw's in great shape. It was new in 2011. It's a modern model W1824 SSA. Semi-automatic, miters out to 60 degrees. At 90 degrees, it's 18-inch round capacity, 18 by 18 square capacity, or 18 by 21 rectangular capacity. For features, we've got power-driven blade brush, digital variable speed on the blade, power descent on the control, flood coolant, hydraulic vise. You can control the height of the lift of the head for more productivity, so your pieces can get cut more effectively. So we're going to start it up and let you see it run. All right, so to adjust the miter angle that you're cutting at on this saw, there's a hand lever here that locks that in position. Give the handle a pull on the head of the saw. I can now pivot this forward up to 60 degrees and lock that back in place once I've got the angle set that I need to start my cutting. Taking it back to 0. Lock that back in place. Got our flood coolant system out on front as well as right to the blade. Got our power blade brush here. Coming around to the back of the saw, you've got your blade speed adjustment here. And at the back of the saw, you have an indicator as to what your blade speed's running at. Here's your hydraulic vise. On the controls, you can run the saw completely manually or in semi-automatic. You have raising and lowering of the cutting beam. Hydraulic vise controls for opening and closing. Blade start. Turning the coolant on. Emergency stop. Here is where you can set the height of the lift of the head after a cut's been completed, so you don't need for the head to fully travel all the way up, only to come all the way back down if you're cutting smaller material. And you have a stroke counter or a piece counter here as well to know how many pieces you've cut. Also included with the saw that you haven't seen in the video, there is a 3-foot roller table for additional material support. For more information and details on the saw, click the link below to check it out on our website, or give one of our sales guys a call at 1-800-665-8089.